When Rihanna performed at the Super Bowl in 2023, she paid $500,000 to rent an Arizona mansion for 6 days. There's a good chance the guy who rented it to her did not have to pay tax on any of the $500,000. And here's why. If you rent your primary residence to anyone for 14 days or less, you do not have to pay taxes on the rent that you received. Let that sink in. $500,000 of tax-free income. Crazy. Now, don't wait for Rihanna to come knocking on your door. Here's how a business owner can take advantage of this rule called Section 280A, also known as the Augusta Rule. If you have an S or a C corporation and you need to have business meetings, your corporation can rent your primary residence from you to hold these meetings. This will be a tax-deductible expense for your corporation and tax-free income to you. Assuming you're able to justify the need to hold these business meetings, then the cost of the business meeting is a business expense. Here are some other important details. Number one, you can only do this up to 14 days a year. Number two, to support how much you are charging your corporation to use your house for a meeting, you should call 3 local hotels and get a quote for how much it costs to rent a conference room for a full day. If you're in a high cost of living area, renting a conference room for the day might cost $2,000. At 14 meetings a year, that's $28,000 of tax-deductible meeting expenses. Word of caution, don't get quotes from all the fanciest hotels in your area. IRS won't like that if you're audited. Aim for the middle-of-the-road hotels. Number 3, you should invite at least one person that does not live in your house to attend the meeting. You can be creative with who you invite and how they're related to your business, but you need a legitimate business reason. Some firms state that you can have this meeting by yourself. I don't see how you can sit in front of an IRS auditor and explain that your corporation paid you to rent your home so that you could have a meeting by yourself or on Zoom or Google Meets. Number 4, your meeting should be at least 4 hours and 1 minute. The IRS will consider this a full day as long as it's over 4 hours. Number 5, keep meeting minutes detailing what you discussed and how it's related to business. Number 6, the rent that your corporation owes you should actually be transferred from the corporation's bank account to your account. Preferably, this is done within a few weeks or days after you had the meeting. You can't transfer all the 2025 rent in 2026 and try to count it as a 2025 expense. The rent must be paid during the year you want to use it as an expense. In summary, Section 280A is a valid tax strategy that can save you thousands. It involves some work, and you want to make sure you have everything you need to support this in case you are off. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website linked below.